Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a new folder, a new file, and save it within Final Cut Express. So first off, we have to open up Final Cut Express, which is found in the docking station right down below here. If you don't see it, just put your cursor down there and then it will spring up. So click on it. When we click on it, what it does is it opens up an untitled new project. We have to save that project, create it within a folder within our D block folder. So we're going to go File, Save Project As, and we're going to navigate to our Movies folder that we need to find. So we click on Movies on the far left, we click on D block, and what we need to do now is create a folder in which to save this file. I'm going to click on New Folder, and I'm going to call that folder the name of our project name. So I'm going to call this Student Test Folder. I'm going to name my project exactly the same as I've created my folder. So I'm going to go Save as Student Test Folder. I'm going to just double check and make sure that it's Movies, D block, Student, and I'm going to click Save. Up here, what's happened is this has gone from Untitled to now the title of your project that you've renamed it. The last step that we need to do, and this is called something called setting our scratch disk. And we do this to make sure that the computer saves everything into the folder that we just created. So we go up to the Final Cut Express, we scroll down to System Settings, we click on System Settings, and what we're doing now is we're browsing to the folder that we just created. We click Set to do the browsing, and we go over to Movies, D block, and we click on the folder that we just created, and we're going to go Choose. We need to do this 3 more times. We don't do it here because it's not set. We're going to go down to these 3 set buttons, and now what we can do is we can create a shortcut. So instead of going to Movies D block, we're going to click on this test recording drop down menu, and we're going to click the folder that we just created, Student Test Folder. Click Choose, and we do this 2 more times. Student Test, and 1 more time, Student Test. Now before we click OK here, I want to make sure that the path of this is all directed to the folder that I just created. Once it is, we click OK, and now we are ready to do some importing.